dropped into Jota Group in Kent. Now, 3 companies: motorsport, aviation, and advanced engineering. Now, we all know machine tools is essential to engineering, but also your tooling. Now, Ryan, experienced engineer, what tooling company do you use?
We use W&T for nearly all of our tools.
Okay. Well, simple question, why?
Just reliability, great tools, next day delivery, you just can't go wrong with them. Yeah, perfect.
Nice and simple, but I'm thinking, you know, looking at their brochure here, it's huge, 55,000 different tools?
Yeah, so they have a massive variety of tools, as you can see. So if I show you, so we've got so many tools. It's all our turning inserts, and they're just, yeah, many applications, and brilliant for every single one.
Okay, but how do you, I mean, must be a bit of a nightmare trying to choose which one, you know, all these different products.
Yeah, at the end of the day, we're not going to know every single insert in there, so they got their sales guys, and we can call them up, they recommend a tool for the application, and job done, it's next day.
Okay, so it's not just a case of flicking through the catalogue, I want that product.
No.
They'll give you advice, support.
No, there's so many different inserts, so many different applications for it, different materials, different roughing, finishing. So it's best we always call them up, and they'll recommend a tool for us.
Okay, but it's not just about tooling, is that right?
Yeah, no, so they do everything. They do vices, chucks, tool holders, tools, anything which you can put in a machine tool, it'll do.
Brilliant. Now, my tooling's broken for whatever reason. Very rarely, though, I hasten to add with W&T. I need it straight away.
Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll call them up, or even drop on an email to their tech guys, be here next day, always next day delivery, so that's the best thing about it.
Okay, so basically keeping your tooling requirements, well, anything within your machine tool, nice and simple, fast, efficient.
Yeah, exactly.
Ryan, great little overview of W&T, thank you very much.